Hello dear friends and students, today I discuss about the pH. What is pH? Full form of pH is potential of hydrogen. Potential of hydrogen, which is expressed in an equation. What is the equation of pH? pH equals to minus log of concentration of H plus. That means it is fully depends upon the concentration of H plus. Concentration of H plus in a solution helps to determine the pH value. Generally, range of pH from 0 to 14. If pH is 7, then it is neutral solution. And if pH is less than 7, then they are acid solutions. If pH is greater than 7, then they are basic solution. Now, we measure acidic strength with the help of pH. If pH is less than 3, means if pH range is 0 to 2 or 3, then they are called strong acids. So that means pH strength from right to left 7 to 0, then acidity, strength of acidity increases. And now left to right from 7 to 14, basicity increases. So after 10 to 14, they are strong acids. Strong bases, and 0 to 3 strong acids. Now we give examples, some strong acids, and then we want to show that how we determine or calculate the value of pH. Let HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, they are all strong acids. And strong acids, we know that are easily dissociates into H plus and ions in aqueous solution. And they are fully ionized and dissociates into fully ions. Let concentration of H plus is 0.05 m. অর্থাৎ molar concentration of HCl is 0.05 m. Then what is the concentration of H plus? Generally, we know that the concentration of H plus of a strong acid is equals to concentration of that acid if it is monoprotic acid. So HCl is monoprotic acid because it has only one hydrogen. So concentration of H plus is equals to concentration of HCl, means concentration of H plus equals to 0.05 m. Now pH equals to, what is the formula? Minus log of concentration H plus. So we put minus log of 0.05. Now we put this in calculator to get value, and log of 0.05 value is 1.3. You can put it in calculator, mainly basic scientific calculator, and also smartphone you can use, and pH we get 1.3. Now main basic points, other basic points, we know that pH plus pOH equals to 14. So if we calculate pOH of this solution, then pOH equals to 14 minus 1.3 means 12.7 pOH. Now we learn about this equation pH plus pOH equals to 14. From where it comes? We know that H2O dissociates into H plus and OH minus ions. Kw equals to 10 to the power minus 14. What is Kw? Kw is dissociation constant of water. Dissociation constant of water. So its form Kw equals to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. At 25 degree centigrade, concentration of H plus equals to 10 to the power minus 7 and concentration of OH minus equals to 10 to the power minus 7. So 10 to the power minus 14. Now we minus log of Kw means minus log of concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. That means minus log of H plus minus log of OH minus. That means minus log of H plus means pH and minus log of OH means pOH, and minus log of Kw value 10 to the power minus 14. So we put in calculator, then its value is equal to 14. So pH plus pOH equals to 14. From this condition we get pH plus pOH equals to 14. Now give some examples that helps this knowledge about pH. Let us example H2SO4 and concentration of this H2SO4 equals to 0.25 m. Now calculate pH of this solution. H2SO4 is diprotic acid, means H2SO4 dissociates into 2H plus and SO4 2 minus ions. So concentration of H plus is 2 times of concentration of H plus, H2SO4 means 0.50. So pH equals to minus log of 0.5 means 0.30. This is the pH of H2SO4 of 0.25 molar concentration H2SO4. Now, if we take 0.01 mNaOH, what is the concentration of H plus, OH minus and pH and pOH? So if questions pH of 0.01 mNaOH, now concentration of OH minus equals to 0.01 m. So pOH equals to minus log of OH minus, means minus log of 0.01 m equals to 2. We know that pH plus pOH equals to 14. So এখানে pH equals to 14 minus 2 means 12. Today class we not continue because video is lengthy, so we stop it here, and next class I give discussions about the pH calculations of weak acids or weak bases. Please like the video and subscribe my channel to get update and extra videos